So as I'm recording this video, businesses all over the country, FedEx, for example, just announced this, other companies are announcing these, are starting to cut back because they realize that things are getting bad. The stock market just crashed really, really badly. It's at one of its lowest levels for years. And we are facing a recession. That's just the reality, that we're facing a recession. But there's one area where you can still make a ton of money even during a recession. I'm going to tell you all about. It's coming up in my review of the GoHighLevel PLR. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people that can pull successfully. Well, me, my brain heel over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill by now. We look, my jokes are stale. I get it, you know, and I'm hoping to be a dad soon. And I'm going to make my kids suffer through those jokes as well. But in the meantime, you get to suffer through them, or you can just skip over them because, yeah, they're really stale. They're boring. I get it. It's okay. But anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, I do use two things to review software and info products and then make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't buy a bunch of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Okay, dude, nobody wants the crap. Nobody. You don't want it. I don't want it. These people don't want it. Why do you keep talking about wanting crap? The guy has like this brain freeze of his that he's talking about wanting crap. It's ridiculous. But seriously, if you are new, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz. I mean, I see Liz, she is a sweetheart. And, you know, I can't get angry at this lady because she says the same thing every time, but she's so sweet about it. And yeah, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Like this video, comment down below. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for the GoHighLevel Local Business Training PLR. That's kind of a mouthful. This is from my friend Charles Harper. Charles is one of the best PLR creators that I know. He really, really puts out some of the absolute best stuff I've ever seen. And this is no exception. I'll show you a sample that he shared with me. I'm recording this video a bit early because I'm not going to be home when it actually drops. I plan on buying a copy for myself, but because I won't be home when it actually drops, I'm going to go ahead and record this video early. So, but basically what this is all about is helping local businesses to survive the upcoming recession by using the GoHighLevel platform. Now, GoHighLevel is a platform that businesses use in order to build their own businesses up. And this training is specifically about local businesses. Now, why is that important to be working with local businesses? Well, here's the thing. You know, big corporations like FedEx or Amazon or Walmart, you know, they're big companies. And so when things get tough, they just go ahead and cut some of their staff. Okay, or maybe they cut down the advertising. Netflix, for example, just recently announced that they're no longer outright buying certain products, they're only leasing them, you know, the rights to certain products. And that happens when a recession is going on. But for local business, it's do or die. Okay, a local business, they need to hustle and get people in the door. Otherwise, they are not going to survive. And so during a recession, local businesses can be one of your best places to make money, because when a local business owner knows that he needs to figure out how to bring more people in the door, he or she is going to say, okay, if you can show me how to do that, I'm yours. I'm going to pay you for that because I know I'm going to make more money from what I'm doing with you. And that's what this is all about, showing local businesses how to make more money. Now, of course, I do have one of the craziest sponsors I've ever offered. This is a $7 product, by the way, super duper cheap. But I decided to really go crazy because I love Charles's stuff. He makes some of the best stuff I have ever seen. And I'm going to show you the members area in just a second. I'm just going to show you GoHighLevel, the actual website, in just a second. But before I do that, let me tell you what my bonus is. So my very first project actually focused on local businesses. Basically, what I did was I started out creating explainer videos for local businesses using various software and whatever else. And I would sell these things for between $200 to $500 a pop to local businesses. They would get them up on YouTube and start making money off of them and use them for their businesses, for their websites, whatever. So what I'm going to do for you is, in addition to getting PLR to Charles's 20 plus videos, you're also going to get PLR rights to my own local video jackpot. Now, this is a course that currently sells for $57. So you're going to get PLR rights to it completely for free with this package. But I'm not just going to give that to you. I'm also going to give you the 10 explainer videos that came with the original package. These are actually high-end explainer videos. I actually paid for a voiceover artist to make the voiceover. It has professional video clips. It has professional background music, the whole 9 yards. They're all designed, and they were actually written by a copywriter. Had a whole controversy about that, but actually had a copywriter help me with that as well. So these are high-level videos that are really going to convert really well with various types of local businesses. You're going to get all that with full PLR rights when you pick up this $7 product. So that means you can sell it, you can give it away, you can use it as the basis for your own product. Okay, the only thing you can't do is you can't use it like as the exclusive product, because like Warrior Plus will not allow you to launch a PLR product as your only product as the main product. You have to go ahead and add some additional value to it. You can't just say, okay, here's this product I bought PLR to and I'm going to sell, because otherwise they're worried that you're going to have a million different PLR products that are all going to be copycats. So you do have to add some value to it, but you can definitely take my stuff, combine it with some other stuff, and then launch it as your own product and use my courses to be able to make money. Now, to pick up any up, there's only 2 upgrades, by the way, to this package. There's a $17 upgrade and $27 upgrade. So you pick up either of the 2 upgrades. And I'm also going to throw in, I have another 30 explainer videos that I made that usually would cost, I think it's $97 we charge for them. I'm going to get them for free. Pick up either the $17 or the $27 upgrade. Pick up both of those. And I'm also going to throw in the other 2 upsells of Local Video Jackpot, which includes a set of ready to customize graphics that you can actually go ahead and use to create Instagram covers and YouTube covers and things like this. This mock-up here, I have those mock-ups. They're all included with my training on how to do it with completely free software that you can use with any operating system. Those you can get online. You can use it because it basically is a cloud-based product with my free training. Plus, you're also going to get over 2,200 videos along with my training on how to use them to create additional custom-made videos for your customers. Plus, I'm also going to train you how to customize my own videos using free software, so you can actually go ahead and do that as well. It's all included with this package. There's only 2 upgrades, as I said. You have the $17 upgrade, the $27 upgrade. Pick up either or. I'm going to give you another 30 explainer videos that you can sell to local businesses. These are high-quality explainer videos that local businesses pay between $200 to $500 per video. You can sell them to them completely, totally for free. And you're going to get those. You're going to get the 10 basic ones that are included with Local Video Jackpot, plus PLR to Local Video Jackpot, which is huge, for $7. Pick up any upgrade and give you the 30 additional explainer videos. Pick up both upgrades. I'm also going to give you the other 2 upgrades of Local Video Jackpot, which is worth about $120, $130, something like that. Actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I think I'm even going to throw in an additional bonus. I'm also going to throw in my video on killer video sales letters, which was sold separately. I'm going to throw that in as well when you pick up both upgrades. You're going to get that as well. That's not included with any of this stuff. I'm going to throw that in as well for you when you pick up both upgrades. Okay, so let's check out. He just sent me a sample because he's still working on some of the videos. You can see here, this is a video explaining how GoHighLevel actually works. And it's going to come with 20 different videos, which you can rebrand completely, totally with your own labels on it, sell them, use them as a bonus, give them away. Use them, the way I would use these personally is approach local businesses and say, hey, I've got a course on how to use Go High Level. I'm going to give it to you for free, just as a thank you for listening to me. And use my strategies in local video jackpot to sell them an explainer video, because they don't know how to make an explainer video. Okay, they're busy running their businesses, their barbershops, their bakeries, whatever it is. They don't know how to do that stuff. You can sell it to them using my strategies, and give this to them as a free gift, just to get your foot in the door. This is a very high level product that you're going to be able to give to them. That people are going to be able to watch. And check out, this is Go High Level. This is actually software that businesses need in order to be able to build their own businesses up. And you're going to be able to teach them why this is valuable, how to use it to effectively keep growing their own businesses. So let's see if I'm going to go ahead and give the tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
Yeah, seriously, huge tip of my hat. This one is awesome. Charles makes incredible quality stuff, and this is no exception. I really think you're going to get a tremendous amount of value out of this. The guy behind me, if he wasn't painting, he'd also be getting it, but definitely huge tip of my hat to you. Grab this one. This one is so worth it. You're going to love it.